Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and positive out there. Yes, it is Saturday. I'm in my kitchen. This is the crypto kitchen right now, straight up. Yes, it's a pretty mid setup, but I'm just still giving you guys updates because the crypto market never stops and never closes. But anyway, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. It's been awesome so far. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It is free. It is down there. Thank you very much. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that, especially in the crypto market, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's go straight to the community tab, because there is some interesting stuff about this, and some people are being saying, yes, this is old news. Well, it's still relevant, honestly, in my opinion. But you've got here, Ripple client ACI chosen for Fed's pilot program, while one more exchange joins RippleNet right now. And I did talk about this yesterday, but it's just unbelievable how much they transact per day. All right, this is a Ripple client for cross-border payments, instant settlements right here. $14 trillion per day. ACI worldwide. I'm going to go into their website and I'm going to show you everything. It's mind-blowing. These were the top altcoins in my portfolio. You had Luna Classic, which was up 15% earlier today. Quant is at 7.83%. Quant has had a nice pump, which is really nice as well. Again, my investment's doing extremely well. Acro's at 4.56% today. Matic is at 4.18%, and Phantom was at 4.14%. And yes, I did cash out from World OTC today. I took out my initial investment, just a little bit over 199 USD Tether, because they do take, I think it's 0.3% or 3% fee to withdraw money. But anyway, you can see it right there. These are the profits per day, and yes, that is the transaction. 377 Australian dollars, 256 USD Tether. That did hit my wallet instantly when using the Google Authenticator code right there, which is incredibly bullish in my opinion. But again, high risk, high reward. Anyway, let's go to Coinspot. Let's check the prices here in Australia. This is my exchange that I buy my cryptos on, so please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin, but of course, do your own research with this stuff. All these prices are in Australian dollars and everything else is set to USD. This video is not old. It is the 16th of July, 2022, and coming up to 7:30 p.m. But again, I mean, where is this year going? It's like it's finished like that. It's unbelievable. Anyway, Bitcoin sitting at $30,000 at the moment, down 1.95%. You've got Ethereum at 1,812. You've got XRP at 50 cents right now. So again, it is down slightly today, 1.99%, basically 2%. But some nice dollar cost averaging opportunities are coming up right now, especially with Quant. We'll get into that in a second. Cardano's at 65 cents. You've got Solana at $55. Again, I'm tempted to, but I'm not going to, considering there is a possible lawsuit that is going to take place, and this may affect the price of Solana. Dogecoin is at 9 cents. Again, I've been holding my Dogecoin obviously for a long time. I took profits from it when it was 80 cents Australian dollars, and I put that into Bitcoin, so I've still got it basically, but still holding a large position in Dogecoin. Polkadot's at $10. You've got Tron at 10 cents. Matic is at $1.04 right now. Moving on to some other ones here, guys. We've got Chainlink at $9. Stellar, I'm very bullish on at 16 cents. Near Protocols at $5. Algorand's at 49 cents right now, which is really nice. VeChain, 3 cents, incredibly undervalued. Hedera is at 9 cents right now. I'm considering adding Tezos as well, which is sitting at $2.34. What else have we got here? Aave, $136. I've seen some pretty bullish stuff about Aave as well, so I may add that into my portfolio. But Quant, yes, it is down to $146 today, 10.72%. Again, if it drops, any lower than this, which I don't think it will, but I want to add more quant into my portfolio, and I should have put more. It's always the case. Everything's always good in hindsight. But again, 10% down today, so maybe in dollar cost averaging opportunity. $146 is quite expensive, I know, but for the long term, this is a $10,000 to $20,000 asset. So honestly, $100 right now is nothing. Theta is at $1.72. Axie Infinity is at $20 right now. Moving down, IOTA's at 40 cents. Of course, you've got Luna Classic, which is down 4% as well. I only have a small investment in that, 102 Australian dollars. The graph is sitting at down 2.03% today to 14 cents. Phantom is at 37 cents. Moving down to some other of my favorites right here. You've got Gala at 7 cents right now, and XDC is sitting at 4 cents. An incredibly undervalued gem. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles to see what is going on in the entire market. Just going to refresh this. Everything is in the red at the moment, so again, incredible buying opportunities because it's been quite high the last couple of days. Now, the other one here, the only one basically that's in the green at the moment is Lido DAO. I have no idea what this is. I'm not invested in it, but it's been up 20% on the day, 48% on the week, and 82% on the month, which is just ridiculous. But let's have a look at some other ones here. Of course, you've got Quant down 7% at the moment, right, to $97 US. Still up on the week, 29%, and on the month, 91%, and still on the year at 32%. Look at that all-time high at $376 USD again. That's beautiful right there. That was like about $420, $430 Australian. So it will definitely fly past that. And I honestly believe that we're at the bottom of the market right now. This $20,000 Bitcoin has been for weeks and weeks and weeks. We are bound to move upwards. And the fear and greed index is slightly moving up, which is really nice as well. But that's pretty much it. There's nothing really else apart from XMR Monero. Still up 17% on the month. This was $312 US. So again, sitting at 138 right now. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not really interested in that one. But anyway, moving on. So Ripple's price might spike with Jed McCaleb's holdings about to be emptied soon as tomorrow. I did check on Taco Stand, on basically this is his wallet balance right here, but remaining is currently got 5.3 million XRP, so he could be out of it as predicted by tomorrow. So if he chooses to sell the remaining 5.3 million XRP, this could, maybe make XRP a little bit, obviously pump up a little bit, but we'll see what happens. But he sold a significant amount of XRP. It is crazy. Look at all these XRP sales right here every single day. 4 million, 4 million, 4 million. What is he doing with all this money? I'm just curious. I'll be so curious to see what he's doing with all of this money. Like, you're talking billions of dollars, like straight up. 7.3. I just love one of those. Just give me one of those. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, so tomorrow he could be out of his XRP, which is good. And some other ones here, obviously, you've got XRP holders attempt to kill the SEC from Ripple lawsuit from the inside right now. So, of course, we've had the SEC Ripple lawsuit. Is seen as a precedent-setting case for all the digital assets in the space in the United States, as obviously for its future relationship with the Securities and Exchange Commission right now, with the infamous Hinman emails and notes out of the way, following the court's decision to deny the SEC's attempts to keep them confidential, which has been thrown out by the judge. So they have to produce those, which, in my honest opinion, they're not going to produce, and they're going to fight as hard as they can, because a government official right now, they do not want to get egg on their face, pretty much. They're not going to allow that to happen. But anyway, moving on. So you've got Johnny Deaton here, the Amakai attorney, representing more than 68,700 XRP holders, and thus published an open letter to the members of the House of Financial Services Committee and of the US Securities and Exchange Commission, asking them to truly understand the damage being inflicted on innocent holders of XRP, aka retail investors. The open letter, fully transcribed below, starts by reminding authorities that FinCEN had already provided clarity for XRP, which is the truth. I mean, FinCEN already said that XRP is a virtual currency. It's straightforward. So I don't know what Gary Gensler's got against XRP. We all know he's just on a power trip right now. So it explains that the Howey test and how it does not apply to this particular digital asset, and it ends with a call to action. I'm not going to read all of this because it is a long letter right now. So have a read of this. I'll link it below. Feel free to do that. Moving on to some other news right here. This is Ripple's most obviously latest report in regards to crypto and obviously CBDCs and crypto adoption in general, but crypto trends and business and beyond. It's a really interesting report. It is 44 pages long, but I just want to point out one key factor right here. On the sides, it's got some pretty interesting stuff. So 3 times more Asia Pacific consumers say that they would buy an NFT to commemorate an important moment than their peers in other regions. So it's interesting. Just got some really interesting stuff right here in relation to NFTs. And what I like is this one right here. So obviously moving down, obviously you've got CBDCs, Ripple, Quant, all of these companies are heavily involved in CBDCs, ladies and gentlemen. Over 30% of respondents believe the impact of CBDCs on finance will be massive in the next 5 years. In the next 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you keep moving down to this, I'm not going to read you. I've just flicked through this report tonight and just had a brief look at it, but there was an interesting statistic right here. So check this out. 76% of financial institutions expect to use crypto in the next 3 years. 76%. That is a lot. So again, crypto is not going anywhere. We're very early in this space, and I keep telling people that on a daily basis. So chill out, dollar cost average in if you need to. So don't go FOMOing into one asset. Just slowly accumulate every single week or whatever you can afford, basically, whatever your schedule is, set an amount of money and just slowly accumulate your desired projects right there. Now, this is ACI worldwide, and I just wanted to show you this right now because, again, this is a Ripple partner driving real-time digital transformation right here. ACI worldwide, the leader in real-time payments, delivers the mission-critical real-time payments software solutions to enable corporations to process and manage digital payments, power omni-commerce payments, present and process bill payments, and manage fraud and risk. I just want to go down to these statistics right here. It's obviously founded in 1975, which is interesting. Offices in 34 countries, employs 4,000 people, 2021 revenue of $1.4 billion, and the NASDAQ ticker is ACIW. I might have to look in this on my stock portfolio. So global. So check this out right here. ACI worldwide serves a wide array of customers in 95 countries, including 19 of the top 20 banks worldwide, 80,000 merchants directly and through PSPs, thousands of organizations utilizing our electronic bill payment solutions, which we're probably already doing right now and we don't even realize, 1,500 banks, intermediaries, and merchants preventing fraud with our solutions. Now just go down to these statistics right here. This is a Ripple partner. Our broad integrated suite of mission-critical digital software solutions enables payment processing for $14 trillion in payments and securities transactions per day, so daily. 225 plus billion consumer transactions each year, 500 million bill pay transactions annually, and people are telling me that Ripple and XRP can't hit those price targets of what Jimmy Vale was talking about. Anyway, I'm just going to leave that one there because I'm going to get a lot of comments in that one. Anyway, that just goes to show how big this actually is right now. So again, I'm not just thinking about cross-border payments. You're talking about trillions of dollars transacting every single day. That's if full adoption happens with Ripple and XRP, and of course all the other utility coins, as I've mentioned in my videos every single day. Now look at this, 3/4 of the financial institutions expect to use crypto more in the next 3 years. So again, we are early in this space. So report covers the Internet of Value and provides insight. This is the Ripple report before, in the crypto's use in business and finance. 76% of financial institutions expect crypto use to increase within the next 3 years. So again, we're still early. 70% also want to use blockchain technology for payments. And again, this is that whole report I just showed you. So maybe I'll link it below. You can have a read of it because it's fascinating. We're so early, and of course, this is bullish for me anyway. So MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor, pretty obvious, Ethereum is a security. And I honestly believe it is as well. Now let's have a look at the quote. Check this out right here. Think it's pretty obvious it's a security. It was issued via an ICO initial coin, obviously launched. Excuse me. There's a management team. There was a pre-mine. There's a hard fork. There are continual hard forks. There's a difficulty bomb that keeps getting pushed back. For it to be a commodity, there can't be an issuer, and the truth is you can't really make decisions. One of the fundamental insights in the crypto industry is the fact that you can change it. Change it is what makes a security. So if you look at most of these cryptos where they had a hard fork after a hard fork after a hard fork, the problem with a hard fork is it's changing the protocol, means that the some development team is making a decision. Again, Ethereum. Anyway, and if you can change the protocol in a material way, you can change the monetary protocol. A hard fork can change the issuance pattern, or it can change the value of something. So that makes an investment contract under securities law right now. So this is incredible what he's saying, and that's facts. It's the truth right now. So again, Ethereum is a security in my opinion, just saying. And I think it is the favorite child, as we all know, by Gary Gensler and the SEC. Anyway, they're all in cahoots with each other, trying to destroy Ripple, the competitor. Anyway, moving on. Let's have a quick look at this. Obviously, you've got the cryptometer.io. Let's go here. You've got BNB in the last day, BTC, ACH, USDC, Bond, Alpine, Cake, I don't know what they are, Ethereum, XRP, which is nice, WBTC, which is Wrap BTC, Mana, and Beth. That is where the money's been flowing. Here is my world OTC trading. Obviously, again, I've taken out my initial investment of 199 USDT, plus a couple of USDT more, and basically I'm left with 593 compounding at 3.2% per day. Once you press this, in actual fact, I will do this right now. So you go to all, you can see that I've just pushed all, start filtering the dealer right now. So it is smart matching. I'm going to leave this for the moment and just wait. Okay, so the amount in order is $28, or 28, I'm going to talk dollars anyway, $28.54. I'm going to start trading. Let's just wait for this to go, and it'll show me my profit instantly. There you go, 0.11 cents, basically, it's 11 cents. Anyway, so I go confirm. Okay, so it's effectively making me, every time I press this button, it's making me 0.4%. So obviously you can do that up to 8 times a day, so that equals basically 3.2% per day. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Again, there is a link below. I'm using iMacros for this. I'm just showing you as an example. And again, obviously the link below for this is in the description. High risk, high reward. I never invest more than you can afford to lose, because I can't guarantee this stuff. But anyway, it's been working quite nicely. I'm just going to go and compound this as much as I can. The last website that was up lasted, I believe it was about 6 months. So who knows where this is going to go. We'll see what happens. Anyway, let's go to Twitter. See what's happening here at the moment. You've got France's central bank wants a working central bank digital currency to go live as early as 2023. Bank France likely to prefer XRP over Bitcoin and Ethereum. I agree, and obviously a lot of governments are actually partnering up with Quant, so that's a bullish one for me right now. James K. Phelan with an update in relation to the transcript. So look at this. Below is the transcript from June 7th, 2022 hearing before Judge Magistrate Netburn right here, during which the parties argued that the Hinman attorney-client privilege claims. Very interesting stuff here. There was a tweet by Jeremy Hogan I just want to show you right now. Not Johnny Deaton, sorry. Keep moving down because I just want to show you this one. So in other words, look at this. This is basically in response to this. Where are you? Right here. James K. Phelan got the transcript of the hearing from June 7th, and my old abused ears did not deceive me. The SEC attorney really did say that Hinman's speech provided the market SEC guidance. The gambit has completely fallen apart for the SEC and in regards to the fair notice defense. And in other words, the SEC tried to have it both ways and instead got it no ways. Like when you are obviously cheating on your girl here, but they both find out, and then you have no girl. That's basically what the SEC has done for themselves. So I'm glad they've done that, because they deserve it for what they've done to the XRP army and basically all the investors for Ripple in general. Let's have a listen to this, Cowboy Crypto. This is Brad Garlinghouse at the Collision Conference. Have a listen to this.
Ignore the law. Recognizing, to your point earlier around the libertarian roots of crypto, we live in countries with laws. We may not agree with the laws, we may not like the laws, but we live in countries with laws. And if we ignore the laws, bad things are likely to come. And so Ripple has always had the view of let's be pragmatic. Let's work with regulators. Frankly, I got here late last night because I was at a central banker conference in Europe yesterday. And those meetings with central bankers actually, I think, are incredibly important for them to understand that there is real utility in using crypto. And the more we can, as an industry, help regulators understand that, the more I think we'll move the whole industry forward.
Yeah.
He got here late because he was at a banking conference. Now, this is the .0 forum. I just want to show you how many central bankers there are here. I mean, I don't even need to look at the names on here, guys. UBS, Deloitte, you've got Zurich, you've got Bank of International Settlements right here. Oh, it's just so big right now. It's crazy. Credit Suisse, you've got Citibank right here. I mean, this is what's happening behind closed doors, ladies and gentlemen. There's conferences happening in relation to this. And again, thank you, Perry XRP Park, for this one. Flip the switch. It's going to happen very soon. I just want to play you this now. Wendy, a big fan of your channel, by the way. So the fact that Ripple has spent $100 million on legal fees in their battle against the SEC is insane. What a waste of time and money. All the SEC needed to do is come up with some sort of guidelines for crypto, let people build and collect taxes right now. So again, I mean, Ripple and XRP, Ripple's basically fighting for the entire crypto industry. And again, they've got the liquidity to do it as well. Have a quick listen to Brad in this.
For the whole industry. The headline for me is, I feel like it looks good. In large part, I think it's very clear, and the more that has come out, the facts are on our side, and I think it's more and more clear the law is on our side. But we have spent, I mean, one of the things when this is all said and done, I mean, we will have spent over $100 million on legal fees fighting the SEC. And the dynamic there is, in my opinion, the SEC bullies companies into settlements because they can't afford to fight. And the reason why I think this fight is so important isn't just for Ripple, it's really for the whole industry. It was literally 4 years ago this week that Bill Hinman, the director of corporate finance at the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, gave a speech saying that ETH was not a security. And by the way, let me be clear, I do not think ETH is a security. I don't think XRP is a security. But at the time, we viewed this as, isn't it great that 4 years ago, we're starting to provide some leadership and some clarity. And I viewed this as actually a very positive sign. I remember there's emails, which now the SEC has read from our internal documents, where I sent the team a note saying, hey, this is great news. We now have clarity of how the SEC is thinking about this. And they used some parameters around decentralization and what have you. And look, the fact that 4 years have gone by and we still don't have clarity about how the SEC is going to say what is and is not a security. And worse, actually, now the SEC, the current chair, Gensler, is really walking back the statement around ETH, and that he has been asked directly, is ETH a security? He won't answer the question. Like, how can we be competitive in the United States in an industry where a primary regulator will not provide that clarity?
How good is that? I mean, that's pretty much just unbelievable. Anyway, the fear and greed index is now moving up slightly to 21. That is 8 hours ago again. But again, I think the market is just pretty much all over the place. But, this happens on the weekends. You've got Ben Armstrong right here, obviously saying that Coinbase shut down their affiliate program and are getting rid of Coinbase Pro. Recent history would suggest that there would be trouble ahead of a Coinbase, for Coinbase. So tread lightly. If Coinbase were to go insolvent, which I highly doubt will happen, this would break the crypto space like we have never seen before. And of course, if Coinbase goes down, forget it. I mean, it's just going to send absolute chaos in the markets. But again, they are obviously on the traditional side of things, so people can buy Coinbase stocks, obviously. So anyway, I don't think that's going to happen. It's highly unlikely. There are too many big investors and players involved with Coinbase. Probably a lot of governments, a lot of big banks, etc. JP Morgan, Anyway, so, I don't think it'll fail. It's too big to fail. And again, Jed has another wallet of XRP, which is hidden from the public. Very interesting. So keep an eye on that one. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. In actual fact, I just want to show you as well. Yes, I'm using these indicators again. So yes, you can see on the 4-hourly chart with my indicators, the sell signal is triggered using the chandelier exit, which again is a free indicator, the ZL SMA indicator as well. You do need a TradingView account, unfortunately, to trigger buy and sell signals to your phone, which is annoying, but it works really well. That's if you are obviously wanting to trade using these indicators, but I mean, they work really well. And a sell signal has not yet been triggered on the daily for quant. But again, you can apply this to any crypto. It's fantastic. Or, you know, basically Forex as well, which I did try and it actually works really well. Anyway, let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's have a look right now. This is the weekend. We've got 924 billion. You've got 58 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. 42% BTC, 15% Ethereum. We are in the red at the moment. This is the ideal time for me anyway to basically buy crypto because this is when the market's low. And again, my ISO 222 coins right here, XRP 33 cents, Stellar's at 10 cents, Algorand's at 32 cents, Hedera is at 6 cents USD, Quant is at $96, IOTA's at 26 cents, and XDC is at 2 cents right now. And again, my entire crypto portfolio, you can see right here, Bitcoin sitting at 20,000 USD. This to me is the bottom. Straight up, it has been trading sideways for a long time right now. In the last 30 days, look at that. It's just gone absolutely sideways, moving up and down, just in between that 20,000. So again, we're still, you know, if you're looking all time, ladies and gentlemen, we're still moving up right now. All right, so we have not dropped back down to these levels. Obviously down here, it's, you know, 8,000 USD. So I think this is the bottom. I think it's only going to go upwards from here. But again, there's a lot of macro news happening out there anyway. But that's pretty much it for today's market update. Thank you very much. Make sure you follow me on all the social media links down below. And we'll talk to you in the comments. Stay safe. We'll speak to you soon. Peace. Bye.